Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about client onboarding, an automation workflow using make.com. So check the link in the description. You will see the complete step-by-step instruction, and this is going to be the task for you and me, how you're going to automate and how you're going to build a client onboarding system for your online business. So let me walk you through the workflows, and then I will show you the scenario. So this is a complete scenario. So what are the things that you needed to set up your client onboarding? You can use either Typeform, cal.com or email, direct email. So this is the process. This is where you get the leads, and once you got the leads, what happens is this is where the client comes in. And so once you have the client information, you're going to set it up into the Google Drive as create a new folder and create a channel in slack.com, and you're going to set up a topic because every client has a different topics and different categories. So and then you're going to send an email saying that actually you have been invited to join the Slack, and so that they can, if they have any question and any question regarding the project, they can contact over you. So this is the complete setup, and it will be very useful for your online business. So either you can use Typeform, cal.com or email, but these are the modules that you needed. So if you have not used Typeform, you can just sign up. I recommend Typeform, or you can use cal.com, or you can use just an email directly. You can land the client and go to the next steps. So I'm going to go to the process one by one. The workflow steps. The first thing is actually you're capturing client response from Typeform or cal.com or email. So this is where you're going to get a response from the clients, either using use one of this to understand what's going to happen. So once you have done this, the next step is actually the workflow starts when a new response is submitted in Typeform. So when someone is coming here, so they are typing all the information. Once the information is submitted, automatically the response from this form will be saved. So I will through the API I will get all this information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Google Drive folder for the client. So because it's very important to capture all the information for the future meetings and also for your future talks, to create a separate folder for them. So what happens is, so you're going to create a Google folder here, and then when the new client fills out all the onboarding form, the dedicated folder is created in Google Drive. So here you have the first name, last name, and the company name, and then also the main information about the company. Once you have done this, we need a communication between the client, because the client has to know what's happening, and they want to know what's the status of the project, or if they have any doubts, how they like to connect with you. So that's for that you need a Slack, because Slack plays a main role of communication. So I prefer Slack because it's very professional, and you have different channels you can create. So you can create different channels for different topics, and you can have a chat over there, and everything can be saved and shared. And you can also add up new team members, and so that this is very useful for your online business. So this is the third step. Once you have done this, so you have done this third one. The fourth one is actually you're going to select a channel topic with a welcome message. For example, you are saying, hey, welcome to this system, welcome to this onboarding. These are the rules. No, you're just informing that actually I'm available from 9 to 5 a.m. Sorry, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So these are the times I'm available. If you have any questions, you can write me in this channel. If you have questions on this topic, you can write in this channel. So you are making them very easy to access and easy to talk to you through slack.com. So this is what I'm talking about. So different channels, so that the client will be, they can and you can also create your docs and make it available. So if anything they want to come and check it, so everything is possible. They can have a complete understanding of what's going on with the project, and you can also update what's going on your project. So this is very important when you start creating a channel and start using it, and then you will understand. For example, different people, different companies use Slack for their internal communication between teams, between also clients. So depends upon your usage. You can use Slack for your internal communication, or so I use for clients, and I also use for my teams. So what happens is, so this is the fourth step or fifth step we have done. The fifth step is you are sending a Slack invitation via email, informing that actually welcome to the Slack invitation. This is your Slack link. Click this link, and automatically they can be joined in this Slack. So this is how the complete onboarding works. And also you're also informing that actually this is the time I'm available. For example, you can contact me from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and I'm available there. So this is really world-class. People are using it for their client onboarding in online system. So it's important to understand that this system will help you to save a lot of time actually, because you will to just imagine what happens if someone fills your form and you don't know what to do next, and so you need to write an email. So what happens if you forget to write an email? So it's all a lot of complication. To avoid this, so it would be a good example if you start using a client onboarding system, and through this you can really make it professional and also useful, and also very authentic and very trustable for your business. So as I said to you, it's very it saves time and improves client experience also, because I've seen that people, when someone sent an email and you reply them fastly, what happens? It builds you trust, and it's also build you because when someone pays you and someone wants to they're just paying through online, and then they need what is next and what happens, and so they want the security. So it's important that this fast client onboarding system will help you to have a personalized message and also centralized communication. So as I said, this Slack is going to be the centralized communication between you and the client. And the third thing is actually, so you're going to have this integration. You have seen that Typeform is going to be very easy to set up. It's going to be you just need to fill up all the forms, what type of questions that you want to ask the clients, and all this information can be saved and used it for your future communication. So this is easy to set up. Typeform, Google Drive, Slack, and email, and it also, you can also completely scale, because as I said to you, I also introduced you a CRM. So CRM is like complete customer relationship management. For example, you can start capturing all your information about your client. What happened? What's next? So what happened after? So it's like this, like meeting is booked, and next step is awaiting for proposal, and you can send. Okay, I'm sending you the proposal. Proposal sent, closed, and lost. So these are all very useful when you start. When you're really doing an online business. So yeah, and this is complete the workflow. I want you to test this, check it out, and see, and if you have any questions and or doubts, write a comment below, or you can just check my website and book for 1 hour video coaching call with me, so that you can get an idea. And if you want this complete system to be set up for your own business, I can help you out. And yeah, if you have any other questions, and if you have any other module that you want to add up, please let me know. And yes, thank you for watching this video. And this, I think you have enjoyed this workflow. And this is end-to-end onboarding complete workflow. You can try and you can use it I'm very sure that this is a very professional way to handle client, and this will bring you more trust and also helps to grow your online business. And thank you so much. I believe that you will also do this task. And thank you for watching this video. And I see you in another video. Take care. Bye.